What's up, y'all? Just wanted to share something I've been working on kind of in the background today. At this point, been building Flutter apps for quite a while, built over 20 different Flutter apps, and I've started to find, especially in my personal projects, that a lot of the code is reusable, of course. So we've started building this system to try and help us more quickly spin up projects with a bunch of things out of the box. This is still really early and basic right now, so right now it's just onboarding, login system, and then also some basic navigation, and it automatically hooks up to Firebase with the flavors as well. Right now it's completely set up using just make files, but in the future might be some sort of CLI. I just want to kind of show you guys what this looks like so far. So you could run just make new app. Under the hood, it's also going to use a tool called Brick to actually copy over the code. The reason we need the make files is to run custom scripts like the Firebase CLI to get everything set up properly. So here it's just going to ask me a couple of questions on setting up this example app. Then it'll go ahead and create the project itself in a folder of the name of the project. And then it will automatically log you out of Firebase to prompt you to log into the correct account. Just say yes here. And another tab, it's going to open up for me to choose the account I want to log into. Once you hit allow, it will successfully log in, fetch your Firebase projects. We have this set up kind of off the Very Good Ventures core. So you have the option to set up 3 flavors. In this example, I'm going to use the same Firebase project for all 3 flavors, but you can use different Firebase projects depending on the flavor that you're setting up. So we'll select the same one 3 times in a row here. And one last time for the production environment. Once it's finished setting up here, it'll automatically run a clean and fix and everything for you to make sure, based on your package name, there's no analyzer warnings right when you open it up. See, it'll also run Flutter pub-get for you. Awesome. So now we can open up our example folder, which will open up a new cursor window. And now you can kind of see here all this code's automatically set up. This is an architecture that we use to build most of our apps. You have your 3 different flavors, which will automatically pull in your Firebase options. We have multiple different Firebase config files. We went ahead and set up some example repositories for interacting with authentication and everything like that. You have multiple different things in your presentation folder, including localization, some layouts like a navigation layout, and everything. But let's just go ahead and run the app. You guys can kind of see what we have going on. So I'm going to choose Chrome here to run it and launch our development environment. Once this opens up, pull it into the recorded window area. So you can see we have just a basic onboarding setup here. You can go through a couple slides. It is somewhat responsive, so it will work on any screen. Go through a couple slides. Then it will take you to your sign up. I'm just going to do new sign up here. When you sign up, it'll go ahead and bring you into this basic navigation layout and have a little user avatar on the top right. And this also is responsive, so as you get to the smaller screens, it will actually switch to the bottom navigation bar. So this is all that we have right now. Again, it's just the start of this project, but getting set up with a working authentication with Firebase project, multiple flavors, onboarding, navigation out of the box. We're really just trying to remove everything you need to do before you actually start writing the meat of your app. So if you think of anything that you'd like to see out of the box in some sort of boilerplate, let me know. This will be available to get at some point, but we're going to use it to make a couple projects first to make sure we have everything we need. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.